afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Ms. Monica.
Okay, so as usual, today we are going to the evaluation. I will ask from the LP that you have made for this week. But for the Pictionary, you don't have yet.
Yeah, we don't
for
have
this week,
because
yeah.
we have the new timetable.
Okay, so could you please explain to me about the Sanskrit that you have explained?
Oh, the Sanskrit, we have learned about Unit 2 that the sounds about egg, and at. So there
Example?
are 12 words that we tell to them. Include that one if egg, bag, tag, rack, and whack. And then if an, that one can, man, fan, and van. And for at, that one is bat, rat, fat, and bat, rat, fat, and one more is that one. Sorry, bisa hat, rat. I promise. Rat, rat, bat, fat, and one more is
Cat.
no, miss, that one is.
It's okay. Next, an.
If and that one man can, fan and van, different fan and van.
All right. Now we move to CP question for little steps.
Yes.
So can you explain about the senses here?
The senses, yes, because we talk about senses there. So I explained about 5 senses that we have learned and we known, like touch, and then hear, and then see, then taste and smell.
Taste and smell.
So that one, I showed to them about a boy that he is smelling flowers. So when the boy is smelling the flowers, what sense that he use?
So what did the student answer?
They say that one is smell,
Oh.
and then I act like that boy do, right, and then I show to them and act like
So if you are the boy like that.
yes, sure. So if you know about touch sense there, you touch by using your skin, not only your hands. So for example, your skin in here, that one is touch. And then if see, actually you use your eyes, and then if smell, you use your nose, and here you use your ear, and then if you taste, you use your tongue, like that.
So the second checkpoint here, that's about
story.
apple pie.
Yes,
Can you
sure.
explain me?
So in that little step, we talk about the story, and the story is about the apple pie. So in that story, the story show us about a boy that called Gus, and then he went to market with his mom because his mom want to make apple pie. So in there, the story just show us about some sense that Gus use when the apple pie has ready. Like actually that one is related with next day on Tuesday. We have little step also.
So he went to the market.
Yeah, sure. To
He
buy
bought
the apple.
that.
Yes,
apple
the
pie.
apple,
Yes,
the apple only.
The apple.
And then mommy and then mommy
His
make
mom?
Yes, his mom make the apple pie.
And then he saw it.
Yes.
He saw how to make the apple pie like that.
No, just show to us, just cook, and then the apple pie has ready, and then
Has been ready.
And then Gus can taste and see, and then smell like that, and touch it too.
So how is the response of the students when you ask them, like, what sense do you use when your mom gives you a pie like that? So what is the
I
response?
showed to them about their food because they have snack time, right? So I just take a meal box, then show to them, if you want to eat this one, so what sense that you will do, that you will use, I mean. So actually they not actually of course they say that we see the meal and then we take it by our hands. It means touch, and then we smell the meal, then we taste it. That one. If here we cannot use it because we cannot hear the food, means.
Okay, so for the second checkpoint, I see here I mean, sorry. So there is about a girl put.
Put
Oh,
on glasses.
yes. Okay, so what did they answer about this question?
Oh, that one is about the difference. Like for example, like this, Miss, me and you, we are different, right? For the physical, because I use glasses, so I show to them that I'm different with you. I'm different between you, because I should put on glasses. Why? Because I got what's that? Myopia eyes. Okay.
Not minus.
Yes, same that one same, Miss. And then same like that girl on that picture, because we cannot see writing or we cannot see picture clearly. That's why this is the thing that can help us to see clearly. Different like you if you don't use glasses.
So you said you shouldn't, because I'm myopia. I mean, like,
no, I mean like, yeah, just make
make
the
the
simple one, right?
simple.
Yes, the
Yes.
simple one is I say it like this. I cannot see clearly. Not I cannot see anything different, right? I cannot see clearly. If I cannot see anything, it means I am blind, right? So I said I cannot see clearly. That's why I use glasses. Different, and then not only the glasses.
For
that
example,
one-
maybe you can give the example like a small letter,
Yeah.
a very small letter. I cannot see that. Like
Yes,
that.
I open my glasses and then I put on again so they can see the real one, right? And then, but that one actually that is about that one is hearing aid.
Okay, so this one, how can you explain about if we cannot see, if we cannot hear, so what will we do like that? How did you explain?
Yes.
So
If I said to them the specific one about the glasses, because the picture all about the glasses, most of them about the glasses, and then the second one is about that one, Miss. What is that? Hearing aid, Miss.
the tools that we can
the-
use if we cannot
yeah,
hear.
we cannot hear clearly, so that tools can help us to hear clearly.
So what did you say to them? If we cannot hear clearly, we go to the doctor. Like
Yes, and then the doctor give us the like
The
air
tools.
that earphones, but that one not only listen to the music but listen to people's voice
to
like-
support our ear. to hear
Yes,
something.
yes, of course I saw like that.
Okay, now we move to radio science. So, how did you explain about these living things and non-living things?
The living things and non-living things about
This reviewing, right?
Yes, sure. So just review the what's that the checkpoint about non-living things and living things. So if living things can breathe, need food and air and water, of course. And then they can move. If non-living things they cannot move by themselves, they cannot breathe, they cannot grow up, something like that, Miss.
The example of each. What is that?
Sorry.
The example of each of them, like living things,
Oh
non-living
yes, living things like us, people, mommy, daddy, you, and then animals like snake, cat, dog, and of course plants like apple tree, like that, Miss.
Sorry. Oke, now we move to ASP Bahasa. Coba jelaskan Miss tentang pekerjaan.
ASP, semua ASP tentang pekerjaan, Miss. ASP Bahasa, pekerjaan itu saya menjelaskannya, apa itu pekerjaan? Pekerjaan itu adalah sesuatu yang harus dikerjakan, karena di situ tidak hanya pekerjaan, jenis pekerjaan yang umum, Miss, seperti guru itu kan umum, tapi kalau dibandingkan sama ASP Sains, dia itu di ASP Sains itu menjelaskan pekerjaan yang sederhana. Contohnya itu seperti membersihkan rumah atau apa ya, berbelanja ke pasar itu di ASP
Berapa
Sains.
jenis pekerjaan yang Miss berikan?
Yang diberikan itu ada sekitar 5. Itu ada polisi, terus ada dokter, guru, kemudian ada petani sama tukang bangunan gitu, Miss. Atau insinyur.
Nelayan tidak ada ya?
Ada, dia itu seperti penjahit gitu, Miss. Ada penjahit, ada.
Tapi Miss bilang tadi 5.
Iya, tapi detailnya itu lebih ke 5 ini, Miss, karena di ASP Matematika itu ada alat-alat, menghitung alat-alatnya yang kelima profesi ini yang lebih detail.
Apa tadi yang lebih detail? Guru, baru
guru, petani, kemudian dokter, nelayan.
Nelayan nggak ada.
Nelayan, Miss, baru ingat nelayan sama insinyur. Polisi 6, Miss.
Insinyur atau polisi?
Insinyur dan polisi.
Berarti 6?
Iya, benar.
Oke. Jadi bagaimana menjelaskan tentang bidang-bidang mereka ini?
Bidang-bidang mereka, contohnya kalau misalnya detailnya itu ada di ASP Bahasa, Miss. Karena di ASP Bahasa itu cuma tiga pekerjaan yang ditunjukkan, yaitu guru, dokter, dan petani.
Yang detail di ASP Bahasa, karena di ASP Bahasa cuman, maksudnya gimana?
Gini, Miss, ASP Matematika itu alat-alatnya. Kalau ASP Bahasa itu jenis pekerjaannya. Kalau ASP Sains itu lebih ke pekerjaan yang sederhana yang biasa dikerjakan.
Jadi lebih lengkap di mana? Dibahas.
Lebih lengkap semuanya sama sih, Miss.
Tadi lebih lengkap di ASP Bahasa.
Karena di situ ada tugasnya, Miss. Tugasnya. Di situ ada tertera kalimat tugasnya seperti.
Jadi contoh yang 5 ini bagaimana, Miss, jelaskan nih bagian-bagiannya? Yang bidangnya, guru, yang tadi kan Miss.
Yang 3, Miss, sorry 3.
3 atau 6 ini?
Yang ASP Bahasa 3, Miss.
Guru
mengajar di sekolah, menggunakan apa? Spidol, pensil, pulpen. Kalau dia dokter, berada di rumah sakit, tugasnya apa? Merawat pasien. Pasien itu apa? Orang yang sedang sakit. Gitu kan? Untuk merawatnya menggunakan apa? Untuk mengetahui kondisinya gimana, keadaannya itu bagaimana, dengan menggunakan stetoskop. Jadi kan relate sama yang matematika, Miss. Karena di matematika ada stetoskop.
Miss bahas lagi nggak yang 3 lagi?
3 lagi itu enggak, Miss. Cuman disebutkan aja dia.
Disebutkan aja?
Iya.
Tidak Miss singgung sedikit, kalau nelayan pekerjaannya di laut.
Itu di ASP Sains, Miss.
Oh, di ASP Sains.
Di ASP Sains.
Oke, jadi di ASP Sains coba Miss jelaskan apa yang Miss bahas.
Kalau Miss, itu di ASP Matematika. Kalau di ASP Sains itu,
nanya Miss ini.
Mana
yang benar?
Gini, Miss, ASP yang pertama itu ASP Matematika. ASP Matematika itu alat-alatnya. Di situ ada sekop, cangkul, palu, kemudian ada jaring, lalu ada stetoskop. Kalau di ASP Sains itu dia 2 orang, yaitu ibu dan ayah, sedang membawa kantong belanjaan. Jadi yang dibahas itu pekerjaan yang sederhana yang biasa dilakukan sehari-hari di rumah. Nah, kalau di ASP Sains itu lebih ke bahasnya berat dari kantongnya itu, Miss. Gitu.
Berat, kok lari ke berat dari?
Iya, itu I don't know why, Miss. Tapi yang saya tangkap itu pekerjaan yang di sini itu tidak hanya pekerjaan yang umum, Miss, seperti guru itu bukan itu, tapi pekerjaan sederhana kayak pergi ke pasar atau membersihkan rumah itu kan pekerjaan sederhana. Jadi mungkin relate-nya ke situ, Miss, gitu kan. Kalau dia ASP Bahasa lebih ke cara bacanya itu, Miss, dan tugasnya itu aja.
Jadi ini bagaimana Miss jelaskan apa yang lebih berat, batu atau kertas?
Ya, itu lebih berat. Gini, kalau di kantong plastik itu kan dia tidak ada gambarnya, Miss. Dia cuma ada gambar kantong plastik. Kemudian 2 orang itu masing-masing bawa 2 kantong, yang mana ibunya itu posisi badannya itu sama tegaknya. Jadi tidak ada yang miring seperti itu. Kalau sedang
dalam kantong plastik itu apa?
Tidak ada, Miss. Dia di kantong plastik itu hanya gambar kantong plastik gitu. Jadi balik lagi ke teacher ya gitu kan, Miss. Bagaimana menjelaskannya? Jadi kalau saya itu menjelaskannya, contohnya kamu membawa dua buah jeruk, di sebelah kanan 2 buah jeruk, di sebelah kiri 2 buah jeruk. Jadi sama beratnya. Nah, sedangkan yang ayahnya bawa 2 kantong, tapi yang satunya itu lebih besar dan lebih berat sehingga ke bawah, Miss. Posisinya
Jadi
itu lebih
apa
rendah.
isinya?
Isinya sama, Miss. Saya
Jeruk
bilangnya
juga?
saya bilangnya jeruk. Karena di situ kan
Tapi kenapa di
kertas-
checkpoint ini kalian buat batu dan kertas?
Iya, Miss. Itu kemarin lupa masukkan dengan tema, kan cari di Asmonika, Miss. Dan lupa masukkan keywordnya itu dengan tema pekerjaan gitu loh. Jadi
Karena yang coba kita tahu, misalnya jawabannya ini
Karena-
lebih berat batu, ya kan?
Iya.
Miss yakin lebih berat batu dari kertas?
Iya, kalau itu kalau batunya satu, kertasnya satu, lebih berat batu, Miss.
Kalau beratnya sama gimana? Masanya sama 30 kilo batu,
Iya.
30 kilo kertas, Miss mengatakan batu tetap lebih berat begitu.
Enggak. Miss.
Kan membingungkan juga.
Dan juga tidak relate sama temanya.
Iya.
Miss.
Tidak sesuai juga dengan temanya gitu.
Iya.
Berarti asal kalian capek loh, iya kan?
Iya, lupa keywordnya itu, Miss. Lupa masukin keywordnya itu.
Asal cepat aja, ya kan? Kayak ini apalagi nih gajah kucing.
Iya, itu kan lebih ke hewan kan, Miss.
Yang pertama benda, yang kedua hewan.
Iya.
Gak ada lagi manusia yang ketiga.
Tidak ada.
Manusia yang ayah misalnya 60 kilo.
Sebenarnya kalau kita cari di Asmonika temanya itu pekerjaan, mungkin keluarnya tentang ya pergi ke market itu juga, atau kalaupun kita sudah paham sama gambarnya atau maksud dari temanya itu, kita sudah bisa buat sendiri gitu, Mas.
Iya, karena kalau misalnya seperti ini kan batu kertas misalnya yang tadi itu seperti kita membuat doktrin di pemikiran anak-anak,
Iya,
batu itu
benar.
akan selalu lebih berat dari
Iya,
kertas.
benar.
Padahal yang kita bandingkan itu ya cuma sehelai kertas dengan
Iya.
batunya jelas lebih berat batu lah gitu kan.
Iya.
Cuman kalau masanya sama itu tetap juga
Iya,
beratnya
benar,
sama kan
masanya.
gitu. Tapi kecuali kayak jeruk tadi, jeruk 2 kilo dengan jeruk segini pasti lebih berat 2 kilo. Gitu
Iya.
masih masuk akal menurut
Iya.
saya. Ya kan? Dan juga masih berhubungan juga. Tapi kalau ini seperti batu kertas nggak ada hubungannya ke pekerjaan menurut saya kan.
Kan saya diskusikan sama partner saya.
Iya, untuk minggu depan ya
Iya.
lebih teliti lagi lah, Miss.
Oke, Miss.
Kadang pun ini apa namanya, ada yang mencek lagi ya, checker
Iya.
dari LP ini. Kadang mungkin nggak semua juga dicek gitu
Iya,
kan.
benar, Miss.
Jadi kita pun sebagai guru yang membuat juga harus lebih teliti lagi gitu. Untuk for the project, what is the project, Miss?
The project today we have project about matching dots to make a shape. So on that
Matching dots?
Yes, matching dots to make a shape. So I shared to them a piece of paper that
Piece of paper,
a piece of paper, and then the paper there is some dots.
Oh yeah.
And
How many
then
dots did you make?
based on the shape, Miss, if the shape is a triangle, I make 3. And then they make a line by using ruler.
They cut.
No. They make a line by using ruler. They what is that? Yeah. Draw a line, Miss. Draw a line to make the shape.
To follow the
Dots. Yes, to follow the dots. And then I asked about what shape is that, like that.
And then you ask, okay, what shape do you get, like that?
Yeah, sure.
What else? Only that.
And then we have about special activity in rainbow math. That one is about puzzle shapes. That one,
Rainbow science you don't have?
yes, we have about living things and non-living things.
Okay, what did you bring?
That one is what is that? A picture of living things and non-living
Not the real
things.
one.
No, Miss.
Not the real plant.
Yes, because it's too much, right? Later we cannot.
The cost is too much.
Yes, that one of course. And then I sometimes the living things, like if I bring 3 here, how come is that, right, Miss? If that one is people, maybe I can choose my student like that. And then if rainbow math is about colors and shape.
Okay, so we talk first about that one, this one, rainbow science. So you print out the paper, is it?
Yes.
And then
And then
how many? How many? For example, the living things 5, non-living things 5. No.
that one
How many for each?
random, Miss.
Randomly.
Because we share with other with K1A and B. If in the morning can we have if in the morning we have two classes.
classes,
So
yes.
so we divide it. Yeah.
By 2.
What?
By 2.
Yeah, by 2. And then sometimes the paper, the printout, the picture is not clearly, so we don't use it, right, Miss? We make 5, but the printout only for the clear one. So we use
So what did you
for
do?
that one.
What did you do after you print out? You cut it. What is your instruction to the student?
Oh, I tell to them that I divide them into 2 groups. This one living things, this one non-living things, and then if this group you take the what's that, the living things one, and then you take the paper, and then for the non-living things they take the non-living things and then they take the what that
There is
what
column, no?
what
There is a column, no?
yes
Oh, so if living things they tick it. If non-living things they don't need to do some editing.
yes,
like
just
that.
make it blank.
Oh, let's make it blank. So what else again? Only
That
this.
one on Miss.
Just now art and craft, yeah.
Today we have practical life, Miss.
There is no art and craft for this
No.
week. Only practical life and
Yeah.
special activity.
Yes.
So what did they get after doing the special activity?
The
Have they known how to differentiate between living things and non-living
yeah,
things?
sure. Of course they know about the living
After
things.
they take, for example, the picture, did you ask them to explain, or did you ask them, oh, okay, what is that? Like that?
Just mention, yes.
Just mention.
Just mention what.
Okay, so
what's
what is
the name.
that?
Yes.
Like that.
What do you get? This one is animal, like that.
Okay. So far, have they understood all of them?
Sure.
Oh yes. Okay then. All right, I think that's enough for the evaluation for today, Miss, because there's no Pictionary this week. So I have asked also some questions from the Sounds Great, Little Steps, Rainbow Science, SP Science. Okay, just I give one input here that if you find something wrong from the application, you don't need to copy all. You can edit.
Yes.
You can filter. You can change it. Yeah. We don't need to make to depend too much for the application. Sometimes the application also wrong, Miss.
Yes.
So that's why if you think something wrong, you discuss and then you can ask your partner, like Miss what's that?
Miss Nata,
Miss
Miss Feby, and Miss
Nata.
Nina.
Yes, 3 of them. You can ask, okay, what should we change here? Because I think this is wrong, like that, for example. So you can build a good communication. You can discuss together, right? So I think that's all, Miss. Based on the evaluation, I think you pass in this evaluation.
Okay, thank you, Miss.